Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Today is an unusual show, in fact, a very unusual day. Going to be quite different. Let me explain once we get the show started and everybody in. Welcome to everybody. It's July the 10th, 7:30 in the morning. And today is going to be a very, very unusual show, very unusual day, and I'll explain in a second. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and click tap the like button. That would be very, very nice indeed. Okay, I'm going to be in and out today of the shows because I need to spend some time taking care of Leah today. So there's not going to be a closing bell show this afternoon, and this morning's show is only going to be half an hour. But you will not be alone. Oh no, because I've recorded, I've been up late, early mornings. You saw me here in the studio earlier, getting ready, getting videos ready for you. So the family stays together. You can all stay live in the chat. And I've got some premieres coming out, some events. I've pre-assigned some events to happen live without me having to be here. All kinds of things are going to happen today. So all you need to do is stay right where you are, and it'll take you from each live event to each premiere to each live event throughout the day. There's no closing bell this afternoon. I've only been able to prepare for like half of the day for events and so on and so forth. But we do have a DocuSign premiere coming out. We have the Secrets to Wealth coming out. We've got a live speech. We've got a speech from Jerome Powell coming out. Lots of stuff. Keep everyone together. Keep the whole family in the live chat and all the rest of it. So the first thing I've got to do is I've got to customize this video now everybody's in and redirect this to our first event. So this is at 8 o'clock, which is in 28 minutes. So let me line that up now. This is where we're going to be first. And I hope you will be able to join me throughout all these events today. And I'll be back tomorrow as normal. Now, tomorrow, why the markets are up so much today, of course, is tomorrow we're going to get CPI and everyone's buying ahead of that. That's why the markets are firing up, breaking all-time records, $104,315. I can't believe it. I've never seen so much money. I've never been this rich in my entire life. I mean, this is all-time, most money I've ever had in my life. I've earned millions and spent millions, but I've never had the money. Now I've got real money. I'm using 19,000 of margin. You might say, well, why didn't you use more if you were more bullish? I could have used 100 grand of margin. You've got to be sensible about it. I've got to pay it back. And if it takes me 10 years to pay it back, it kind of defeats the object. Margin, you've got to be able to pay back after a certain period of time. Of course, I could sell, take profit, but then I'll pay tax on it. I'd rather just not sell anything. So there's my positions, as you can see. We'll go through all the positions in a moment. So this is the event that we've got. Let me give it to you right now. We're exclusively here on YouTube today. We're not on Rumble today. Secrets. There we go. Secrets. I'll pin that to the top. Replace pinned message. There you go. There's Secrets. That starts in 25 minutes. Live chat. Hopefully you'll all join me for that. You can this live event will take you directly to Secrets to Wealth. Please do join me with that. It'd be lovely to see how that does. And I'm going to be taking care of Leah this morning. So just so you know, that's what's going to be happening this morning. So straight after Secrets to Wealth, we have, if I come back to the main channel, we just had 8 minutes ago, we had the US stock news go out. Hopefully you saw that. If you didn't see that, go and check it out. We've got Secrets to Wealth. And then straight after the Secrets to Wealth, we have Fed Jerome Powell's speech, FOMC rate cuts. Pss, 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 pss. whisper in my ear, blah, blah, blah. You need to watch that. A lot to learn from that. A lot to learn. Really, really exciting stuff. And then straight after that, that will go into a DocuSign analysis review. And there'll be more to follow once I've got in and out of taking care of Leah and all the rest of it. So that's what's coming up next. All right. So in the meantime, let me go back to the comments and read all the comments and share with you all the trades today. Hey, Mike, Tesla News in Discord, a link for YouTube. Thank you very much. Let me have a look. Links for YouTube, Tesla. Yes, very, very nice indeed. I'm going to go and make a video on that. So thank you, Fight Channel, for giving me that. I'll look at Tesla stock in a moment. Get well, Leah. Thank you, Mike. How's she doing today? She's okay. Just needs some love today. That's all. Hi, David. Hi, Mike. Martin. Team. Great to see everybody. David Ewan. I wish I could find some news on why APLD dropped 25% yesterday. I looked all over. David Ewan. Send me a link for YouTube. I'll do some research. I'll find it. Don't you worry about that. Good morning, Martin. I have been in London at Wimbledon tennis tournament this past week. Oh, wonderful. I was there. I saw the Roger Federer and... oh, we got a new member.
Chris Hargreaves has become a member.
Chris Hargreaves has just become a member. Hold on a second. I'll give you all your perks when I get through all the information here. I saw Roger Federer and Andy Murray play in the final. I didn't get to sit in the center court, but I was on the hill. But what I did do was this, and you will like this if you are a Wimbledon fan. You'll go, oh my God, I cannot believe it. You're actually quite famous. Yeah, I know, I keep telling people, but no one listens. Right, look at this. Are you ready? Let me show you this. Right, here we go. Okay, what you've got here is something quite special, really, I think. This is me at Wimbledon. All right, here I am at Wimbledon. And what you're going to like to see now is I was live on TV at centre court. I got into the centre court, not to watch the game. There is the centre court for the final. There it is, being set up for Andy Murray and Roger Federer. And there I am on the hill at the moment. But there you go. There is me singing live on Dutch TV. I was singing Impossible Dream for Andy Murray live at Wimbledon, live on Dutch TV. How about that? So there you go. I was there, centre court, doing a bit of a Cliff Richard, singing live on centre court for Andy Murray. That was years ago. I don't even know what year that was now. 2000. Oh my God, 2012. 14 years ago. Bloody hell. Wow. That's right, isn't it? 22. Yeah. Bloody hell. 14 years ago. Yeah. The beginning of time. I was there. Anyway, so there you go. Hi, Stephen. Get well, Leah. Thank you, Stephen. Anyone know why? I'll research it. Send me a link to remind me, please. Ed Nevius, good morning. Get well, Leah. Good morning, Octavio. How are people predicting nearly 1 trillion revenue for Tesla robotaxis in 2020? How are people predicting nearly 1 trillion revenue for Tesla robotaxis in 2029 when Uber's revenue is only 40 billion? I must be missing something regarding the potential of robotaxis. Yes. I've explained that on a video, Rob. You want to go and check my Tesla playlist. But essentially, really quickly, it's being overhyped. This is Robotaxi is out next month. Great, brilliant. Everyone's going to have a Robotaxi. Everyone's going to get rich because everyone thinks Tesla permables. I don't mean just the average. I mean Tesla permables. Let me just. I've just got to read some urgent information. Yes, I. Yes, I've just sent a private message. There you go. There you go. All good. Right. So where was I going to go now? Completely forgot my thought there. I'm doing private messages here at the same time, trying to keep everything moving. It's hard sometimes. I'm not a woman. I can't multitask, even though you might think I can. I actually can't. So essentially, this is the situation. And let me just go into Tesla for the moment. We'll look at it on the screen. A lot of people feel that because they love Tesla, and they've got a Tesla themselves, they think they can upgrade the software and they can have their car driving around as a robotaxi, making them $100,000 a year. These are the predictions. $1 a mile, 100,000 miles a year, they can make $100,000 a year. So you got people thinking, brilliant, not only am I going to buy Tesla stock, but I'm going to buy a Tesla car because my car can drive it right around. It's not true. I've done a lot of research into this. Let me explain. First of all, should I make a video on it? Have I got time to do that? No, I haven't. I haven't got time to do that. You'll have to go and watch the video. But essentially, what's happening is, as you say, people are. There's only 40 billion in Uber, but we're going to have $1 trillion, whatever it is, in Tesla, right? This is the situation. Not everyone on day one, in fact, it'll probably be a couple of years at least before we can all have a robo-taxi of our own, okay? When it comes out, because of insurance, legislation, all the kind of legal stuff, think about it, someone in the back of the car driving around by itself, being picked up. I mean, there's a whole host of earnings, like tax situation from the government point of view. You've got people, trashing the car. You've got people crashing the car. There's all sorts of stuff that's going to happen in these early days, right? So the average man on the street is not going to be able to get it because you're not going to have the legislation, the regulation, and all that set up. The only people who are going to be able to have it is Tesla, Amazon, Apple. They're ordering some. They're going to have a special fleet because they've got special lawyers and they've got the money and they've got all the protection and they've got all the control over the whole thing. Different ball game. You, the average man, isn't. So we're not going to have everybody with a robo-taxi in August. I've got a Tesla. I'll upgrade it. Off we go. Now, assuming that we did, assuming that everybody said, right, sod it, I can have it, and they gave it to everybody, which they're not. But imagine they give it to everybody. Everyone's got a robo-taxi on day one. What happens? The top line comes crashing down because there's Teslas everywhere now. I see Teslas all around me all the time. And now everyone's going to buy another one. So you're going to have a flood of the market. If that happened, which it won't, but if that happened, the market would be over flooded anyway. And on top of that, you're not going to get everyone on day one jumping in the back of a robo-taxi. You wouldn't do it. You'd wait for a while. So this whole thing about it's suddenly going to explode, I do think this is a real thing. I do think Tesla's great. But again, it's overbought and it's great to own it through the S&P. I'm loving it going up. However, it's only 1% of my portfolio, or thereabouts, just under 1%. It's not crushing my portfolio either way, right? So I'm not overly exposed to it. But I think everyone's buying ahead of it. They're all buying ahead of this thing, and I think it's going to be a sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news. It won't be as dramatic in August. This will take a few years before it starts making real money. So that's what I think, Rob, about that. Yeah, I have VU on eToro, and I've started investing. Fantastic. Chris Hargreaves became a member. Right, Chris, could everyone please spam the channel, please? Welcome Chris Hargreaves to the channel. Chris, there are many, many perks that you get as a member. There are so many, it will take me half an hour to explain. So I've recorded a video for you. When you became a member, it was on the same page. Go and watch this. It'll tell you all about how you can become a Discord member, how I can upgrade you, and all of that. You've got time to do it now, so I'll do it for you. If you click the Discord link, you may have already done it. It takes 10 minutes to get through security, so you've just got time before I go, because I'm going to be gone in 15 minutes for the premieres and to go back and help Leah. There is the friend request to Discord. Friend request me, Martyn Lucas. Here's the all links button on my website. You can now get the Christmas card, birthday card, sign up for all of that. It's all free on the website. Go and watch the video. You can now get members-only videos, members-only live chats. You can poll the audience. You can ask me to review a stock, ask me to do earnings. The list goes on and on and on. You can call in live to the show. If you upgrade, you can promote a business. Team Fusion is one of my gold members. He had he booked an hour session with me yesterday. You can do one-on-one calls with me, video calls, all kind of stuff you can do. So anyway, lovely to have you here as a member. Give Leah some TLC today. I will be. Tim Rogers with your umbrella. Virgin Galactic said that the spaceship facility is now complete in Phoenix. Yes, I've seen that. Arizona final assembly on the Delta spaceships will start in Q1 2025 as planned. Posted link in general Discord. Thank you so much indeed. Oh, hang on. I've got someone just popped in. Northern Plum Chris. Now, I don't know who that is. Chris, is that you? What you have to do is put your username for Discord in the chat and I can upgrade you. I don't know if that's you. Got a Chris at the end. Maybe it is Northern Plum Bob Chris. It might be. I don't know. Someone just became a member. If that is you, just say that's you and I will upgrade you just before I go. Otherwise, it will be tomorrow. Good morning, all. Chris Hargreaves. I think I sent a link in Discord. Thank you very much, David. I'll go and check. Interesting link in Discord about BRICS and Saudi suspending application to join Team Fusion. Thank you for that. Saber, what is the competitor Virgin Galactic that doesn't need a mothership? I'm making a video on it at the moment. 2012-24 is... 2012 and 24 is 12. I'm not sure what that means. You don't look a day older. That's right. I've not aged a day. What a week. The stock robot Troy Stewart comes in and I can't verify his information. I don't believe Troy is a member. No, he's not. No, he's not a member. And he always says these sort of things and we don't know who he is. Let's have a look. Martin, that's cool. I played professional tennis before my corporate career. Congratulations on 104, heading to 100. Oh, hang on a minute. Northern Plumbo Chris has just changed. Yep, that's me. Okay, I'll come to it in a second. Let's have a look. I think from what I've seen, the robotaxis will be custom built and not have steering wheels, etc. So it's going to be built especially. Exactly. It's not going to be out in August. That's what everyone thinks. It's not. Just the software. Hi, Ed. Hi, everybody. Just wanted to say hi, everybody. Tesla, the recent automated sterilizing cleaning patent for the cars. That's interesting. Welcome, Chris. Thank you for all the welcomes. Welcome, Chris. Love it. I like it. Love how everyone's welcomed him in. Right. Yes, that's me. Let me get this done before I go. So here we go. We've got Chris Hargreaves. He's confirmed that's him. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you a nickname. I'm going to give you a nickname so we all know who you are. It's still, you can still have whatever name you want, but so we have openness, transparency, and all the rest of it. We have you as the same name as you are on YouTube. The purpose of that is we all know who you are, so people will engage with you, otherwise they won't. I suggest you send me a friend request right now. because you've only got 10 minutes to go before I go. There is my friend request, because pretend Martyn Lucases will try to contact you. They're not me. I never message anyone. Plus, people won't friend you unless they notice you're friends with me. All right? And I mean the real me. So next thing I'm going to do is give you a role. Let me give you a role. Chris Hargreaves, let me give you a role. Roles. There you go. You are now a YouTube member. So if you see there, look. Oops, daisy. I'm trying to do it too fast, and that never works. Member. See? Come on, Martyn, slow down. There you go. Works better when you slow down. It's always a difficult one, this, because I'm looking at your screen and my screen. There you go. So I've given you the membership role. You can now see all the chat. You can be part of the show. You can check out Ed Nevis's information, get all the training for scalp trading, make a lot of money down there, but be careful, it's risky as well, high risk. Stock news, clips, links for YouTube. This is the one where you send me links now as a researcher. So if you want to send stuff in for me and all the rest of it, I'll make videos on it. Right, I've got a friend request pending. Yeah, that's you. And I will accept it. Now people know you're friends with me. I will now write the magic word, which you know if you've watched the video, so you know it's me. All done. There you go. Now remember to always check. Right-click the profile of the person that you are friending. Look, lots of people can steal my logo, and they do. Lots of people can steal a display name, and they do. However, I'm the only one on Discord which has the real name spelt correctly. Martyn Lucas. Not with a Z or an S or underline or 3 dots. There's the real one, okay? And also note, I never message you, never sell you anything, never do anything at all like that. All right, we're all good. We're all done, just on time. Welcome, Chris, to the membership team. Do not accept. There you go. Any other friend requests from Scammer Martins? I almost got duped this week. There you go. That's from Team Fusion, one of our gold members. Very smart business owners, intelligent, wealthy investors. Don't think, oh, it's only for the stupid people. Oh, yeah, I'm all right. No. People send you messages. It looks like me. It sounds like me. They use my words, and you go, oh, it's Martyn. No, it's not. I never message you. I never message you. You know when I'm messaging you because we're already in a conversation that we started live on the show. So you know the difference. Otherwise, I refrain from, I try to never message you back. I only do that if we've already started a conversation, all right? So just be careful of that. Right. Just trying to pick up a pen. Got it. Right. Okay. I thought being friends with 15 Martyn Lucases meant I was Martyn's best friend. Probably. Right, okay. All-time highs once again. Let's quickly go through all our positions. Now then, if you've just arrived, let me update you exactly what's happening today. Let me explain exactly what's happening today. Right, there's 45 of you in the show. Tap the like button, click subscribe, and ring the bell if you wouldn't mind. That would be really, really nice. Let me refresh the screen. We got, how many likes have we got? 45 in, 13 likes. Could everyone tap the like button? How's the music channel? Just coming up to 3,800, Mike. Thank you very much indeed. I think we'll be at 3,800 today. Or very, very close. So we're getting there. We're moving forward. Thanks for asking. And yes, I'll be going for a walk in a minute. Right. So this is what's going to happen today. I need to take care of Leah. She needs some care. You might know she had to go to hospital a couple of days ago with a potential retina detachment. So she needs some care today. So I'm going to do that. There's no closing bell today, but we are going to be together all day because what I've done, I've got some live events and videos and premieres all set up for you to keep everyone together, latest information, and keep you all together in the chat, chatting to each other, and supporting each other, and some great information and all the rest of it. So I hope you'll support me. The first one starts in 6 minutes. The first one starts in 6 minutes. This live event now will take you to this video. This video will play, the secrets to wealth. The chat is open. Everyone can chat live and live chat with each other, talk about what's going on and all the rest of it. So you can do that. Please watch that video. I think it's a really important video. That will then go to a live event. Got Jerome Powell's speech. That's coming up. That will automatically go to that. And I'll also drop the links into that so you can follow that. So there's lots of stuff happening. And straight after that, there is a DocuSign analysis video coming out. So everything will just seamlessly happen throughout the morning. And in between taking care of Leah, I will make sure the other events that I've already set up will start coming out for you so you can stay all informed and all the rest of it. All right? So there you go. Hopefully you'll follow me throughout the day and all the rest of it. This is the speech, Jerome Powell's speech. That should be fun in my ear and blah, 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 blah. Let me just give that a like myself. Always like to like it myself. Why not, eh? Makes no difference. I just OCD, really. Right, okay, there we go. We've got 4 minutes to go. So I'm going to get out of here. This premiere is about to begin. So anyway, good. Good morning, Martin. Always a pleasure seeing you every morning. Mike Hawk, what a lovely comment that is. Thank you so much indeed. How is our new sponsor? Of course, our show is now sponsored. Again, sponsored. It's one of our members here. I only do it for our members who become sponsored and viewers and so on and so forth. You can't just offer me $1 million. It's all for members only. But who have we got here? We got Charlotte May Weddings. Yesterday, you may remember, it was at 235 subscribers. It's now gone to 239. This is our latest sponsor supporting the channel, and I wish to support them. If everyone could go and subscribe to our sponsor. Our sponsor is a member of the channel. It's not a big, rich corporate sponsor giving me money. No, it's just one of our members who has a sponsorship level, and I want to help them and build their business for them. So if everyone can go and subscribe to that, that would be wonderful. I'm going to check it back in just 1 minute and see if it's moved. It's now, it was at 235 yesterday, 239. One of our members, please do support that member. And let's refresh it in, say, 1 minute, shall we? Let's see if we can get it to 240 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a bit quick. I don't expect it to have moved, but it might have done. You never know. 239. No. I'll try it again. It's a bit too quick. You need to give it at least a couple of minutes. People got to get out, back in. They'll do it later. Anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do it again. 239, 240, the power of the Lucasades at work. Isn't it brilliant? I love seeing it. I can't wait to have a really busy show, like a flight or something like that, and then suddenly we can get the person like 1,000 subscribers. It's awesome. I love helping people. It's what this show's all about. Remember, you'd all get help at some point, so always support everybody. It's really, really great. Right, okay. So I'm going to get off now. The premiere is about to begin. Live events, premieres, all the rest of it. The chat is all live. Please join me for the live chat. You can stay part of the family today. Stay in. This premiere will go through to Jerome Powell's speech. You don't want to miss any of that. I'm just making sure everything is good. Yes, it is. So I'm going to leave you with that. It's about to start in just a couple of seconds. So I'll say ta-ra to you now. I've given everybody the link. Let me give it to you again. It should take you there automatically. If not, there is the link. I think I've also posted it to the top. Straight after that, it'll go into the next premiere. Thank you for allowing me to take care of Leah. I'll see you back tomorrow opening bell. Tomorrow is huge because we've got CPM. That's why the markets are up today. Everyone is buying what I've known for 18 months, which makes me the greatest trader in the world. Yes, it does. I said rates would come down. Did I not? In the summer of 2024. Did I not? Yes, I did. And that is what I believe. And now people are going, oh, maybe the rates are coming down. Maybe they're coming down. Maybe we should start buying the stock like Martyn Lucas. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I believe. That's what I think. I don't care if it crashes down now. I'll just use some more margin because it will go up again. Or it carries on running and all I'm doing is paying down my margin over the next 6 months. Should I have bought more? No, I couldn't afford any more. I've got to be able to pay it off. So Premier's about to begin. Thanks to all of you. Enjoy the Premiers, enjoy the live events. And, oops, let me mute the audio. You recognize that sound by now. There it is. Thank you ever so much. Support me throughout the day. Go into the live chat. Remember, when you go into the live chat, very, very important to make it a better experience, do this. Top chat, change it to live chat if you want to. If you want to, you might not want to do that, but I do that all the time. You can also hide certain people. If you only want to see, Mike commenting or whatever, or me, you can hide other people. So you don't have to watch all the comments if you don't want to. Click the like, click the share, enjoy it. This will take you to the next one. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed for joining me. I'll see you back in a bit. Enjoy the premiere. Thanks for your support today. I've got to get out of here in a minute and support Leah. Thank you ever so much. Take care of yourselves and each other.